Hi, I'm Alejandro Martinez. I'm one of the co-founders at MatrixDS, and today I'm going to show you how we are fully integrated to support Kaggle computations. We're going to pull a Kaggle computation data set into our MatrixDS project without doing any installations and share it with somebody using our favorite R or Python-based professional tools. Before we start, there's a couple of things that need to be done. So the first one is we need to navigate to your own Kaggle profile, to your account, and you need to download your API key. So in your account, you just click the Create New API Token, and that's going to download a file called kaggle.json that I have here in my desktop. So that's the first thing. And the second thing you need to do is you need to find a Kaggle competition that you want to participate in, and you have to enroll in it. Kaggle does not let you pull the data set using the API until you've enrolled in the competition. So I've done both of those, so now we can just go straight to our MatrixDS profile. So I'm going to log in here, and I'm going to create a brand new project called Kaggle Earthquake Competition. Oh, there we go. Create. And I'm going to go straight into Tools, and my tool of choice is RStudio. So I'm just going to create an RStudio tool here. And what this does is it's mounting a Docker image to a file directory, to this file directory, which is empty right now, in RStudio, and you can see it takes a few seconds. But now I'm just going to open that and go straight to my terminal. So in the terminal here, I'm just going to make a directory, and I'm going to call it .kaggle. And then I'm going to upload the Kaggle JSON file that I downloaded. So here we go. You can see that got uploaded here, and then I'm just going to move that kaggle.json file into my .kaggle directory. Okay, so once that is done, we go back to our competition page on the Data tab, and we look for the API command and copy it to our clipboard, come back to RStudio, paste it in there, and just like that, I'm pulling all the files into my RStudio project here in MatrixDS. And it's not just pulling them into MatrixDS, into RStudio, it's pulling them into the entire MatrixDS platform. So what that means is if I go back out here to my platform and I look at the Files tab, it's now showing the sample submission, test zip, and train CSV zip. And so I want to share this project with my teammates so that we can prepare our submission, and all I need to do is invite somebody using this button right here. So I'm going to invite Isaac Faber, our Chief Data Scientist at MatrixDS, and it's that easy. I'm going to give him edit access here so that he can spin up his own tools. And for example, Isaac is a better Python coder than I am, so he can just come in and spin up a Python tool with Jupyter Lab here. And again, it takes a couple of seconds, but once that is spin up, it's also mounted to the same shared file directory. And as you can see here, we're now inside Jupyter Lab on the same file directory that has everything that we just pulled from Kaggle. So that's how we support full integration with Kaggle computations on MatrixDS. And that's all I have for you today, and I'll see you in the next video.